take this as a dress, and before you start, this is the start point. Before you start, you need to overlock it. You need to stitch it back and front so that the dress don't get loose. You come straight again. This is the end point. Before you stop, you need to lock it too so that the dress don't get loose. So you do the same before you start. You need to lock it and you go straight. You need to, when you end, you need to lock it too. For example, this start point, this is start point, this is end point, this is end point. Before you start, you need to lock it and you go. When you stop here, you need to lock it. You come again, you continue from here again, you need to lock it and you go again, you need to lock it. So this place, you start, for example, you are moving with the machine and you are sewing with the machine. The thread goes out here, the thread broke here, so you fix the thread again. Before you start, you need to go two backward with the machine, two backward. Then you continue from here. Before you continue, you need to overlock it. Then you follow the same line again. You continue. You need to lock it here. This is the end point. You need to lock it. So if you want to make a circle, this is the start point. The start point, you are still going to end there too. You continue with the circle. You end the same place you start. The same place you start. If you want to make something like this is curve. You start from here. You need to overlock it before you start. When you go, you stop here. You put the needle inside. Don't bring the needle out. You took the needle inside. You raise the foot up. You bend the dress. When you bend the dress, then you leave the foot. You continue again. You stop here. You took the needle inside. You bend the dress. You leave the foot. Before you bend the dress, took the needle inside. Always make sure the needle is inside and you raise the foot up. You turn the dress. Then after you finish turning the dress, you leave the foot. You continue again. Then you stop at where you start from. So this is the rules. Okay, you can end it.